My name is Paul Legan, Chief Technology Officer at 3Share, and I'd like to talk a little bit about work prioritization within Adobe Workfront. So typically when a user logs into Workfront, they will see a list of tasks. These can be related to projects, these can be related to steps within an approval process, and they can ultimately be work that they need to get delivered for a particular assigned group of functionality. So I'll talk about tasks for a second. So each task itself, when you click in, you see things like the planned completion date, the status, prioritization, all of the history, and most importantly, perhaps the project. So if I click on this project, I'm given a little bit more context about what this task is about. And once I get to this project area, I see all of the tasks, how they're related, all of their statuses. And I also see things like the project details itself. So I can talk through or to the stakeholders if I have questions, and ultimately understand more about why I'm actually being asked to do this particular task. So those are tasks. Now, another part of the Workfront work list is approvals. So when a particular project has a status of a particular type, so in this case, I have set a trigger that a new project that has been requested as its status requires approval. And this approval process can be one of many different steps. In this case, it's just one, but it can include as many different people. And people can be named people, or they can be project-related people, like the project owner or the portfolio owner. So that's really helpful so that you don't have to assign individual people to each project. So if I were to come over here and approve this particular project, I will see how, upon refresh, this task has now gone away. So that project workflow has now been assigned to the next person if that step exists, and if not, then it will automatically trigger a series of events, notwithstanding things like project status, completion, new tasks created, etc. All in the name of getting more work done.